Bruh.
Oh my god, so messy. I've been recording content all day. I'm so hungry. Like, I'm contemplating on getting me a You guys have no freaking idea how hungry I am. I've been recording content all day. I'm like, maybe I should make a salad. I made chicken and waffles earlier. And since I hadn't gotten my stimulus check yet, I'm like, okay, it's leftovers. And then I thought, oh shit, I don't have leftovers from last night. But I do from this morning because I made chicken and waffles for breakfast. Oh, you guys are probably here for the unboxing. Okay. Don't click off the video. Don't click off. I'm almost done.
I don't care if you don't care about me. I will care about you, 'cause we all gotta make it through this shit. I don't care if you don't care about me. I will care about you, 'cause we all gotta get through all of this.
And we're back, and my blood sugar thanks you. Welcome back to my channel, Candy Babes. If you're new here, just visiting, just having to walk on by, I'm Tammy X of the Rebellion. I'm usually typically making hair color videos and you don't see me at all, but today I'm doing my first unboxing. So I ordered some shoes from Y.R.U, and I also ended up getting some shoes that I ordered like 2 months ago off of AliExpress that were like a dupe for Dolls Kill. So I'm gonna be unboxing them both. So the first shoes that I have are the Y.R.U. I think they're pronounced Cosmo. I thought they were Quizno, like Quizno subs at first. Or don't be mad at me, Y.R.U, if you guys see this video. But I thought they were pronounced Quizno, but I think it's Cosmo because it's Q-O-Z-M-O, bondage. And they are the red and pink ones. I got them just because like red and pink, those are like girly, aesthetic-y type colors. They're Valentine's Day-ish type feel and bondage. And yeah, those two go hand in hand. So anyways, I'm gonna take a sip of my sparkling ice real quick and we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do the Y.R.U shoes first. These are the AliExpress ones that were the Dolls Kill dupe ones. I don't want to show you guys my address. So this is how it came in a big pink box, and I knew it was for me the moment I saw it. No, but I was excited because I knew they were my shoes. So, and the box is like heavy. Like if you own a pair of these shoes, you know like how freaking heavy they are when you come in, or when they come in. Gonna go ahead, I have a giant pair of scissors here. And I honestly would like to own more of these shoes. Like I want a full collection of them, but kids, rent, car notes, bills, adulting. Yeah. Okay. Gotta stop my nipples. I really need to get one of those remotes that I can just like Bluetooth to my phone so I can stop like sitting up and down. But this is a big ass box. It's like the Holy Grail. I'm gonna open them. Oh, they're wrapped up. Cute wrapping paper. That new shoe smell. I love that new shoe smell. Oh my God! I can already witness cuteness, and they're still wrapped up. These are so flippin' cute. Bitch, I'm about to slay. I'm about to step on all of you. So already out of the box, super freaking cute. Love the new shoe smell as always. I'm gonna try on this one real quick, and then I'm gonna open the other one. And they go with my outfit too. Like, I feel like it was really smart for me to do all my content in one day. So I'm a size 10 or 9.5, if you will. But I ordered a size 10. That's what size I usually order in my shoes. These, since they are platforms, what was I gonna say? I'm just so fucking excited. I figure like it'd give me a little leeway, I guess, with them in the toe area. I don't know if that makes sense, but ooh, I'm sorry you guys. I've had this little cough for the past few days, so I'm just now getting over that. And I love all this detailing. I love the laces, like the metal lace holders. They're red coated. That's super cute. I love that little detailing. Like, this is what I look for when I buy my shoes. Buy shoes like this, at least. And there's like a buckle and stuff on the side too, so like I'm gonna go ahead and unbuckle. So excuse my dirty ass background. I am in the process of redoing my wig room, but I just wanted to show you guys how these shoes looked on me. Give you a little turn, a little spin. Yes, bitch, work it. So next, I'm going to be unboxing the the AliExpress Dolls Kill dupe. And I don't know what to expect out of these, but I'm excited. So these were the ones that I said were like $20 or $30 or something like that. And I think I ordered these in like a size 39 or 40 or maybe 42, because I think in that size, like European, Chinese or whatever. Oh my God, these are starting to look exactly like the photos. But I think that those sizes, you kind of have to convert them to whatever country you're from. I'm in the US and we go by like, excuse me, single digits and, well, lower single digits. We don't go up to like 30s and 40s and crap like that. And I had ordered from this company before. I had ordered a pair of another Dolls Kill Dupe shoes, and they just completely sent me the wrong item. So this like completely makes up for it, because I'm looking at them now and they sent me a free gift. Oh my gosh. So let's see what this is before we open the shoes. So it's a cute little clutch. This is so cute. It has a little heart charm on it. I said clutch. It's a cute little wallet. So they sent me a free gift this time. That was really sweet. And this is their card, and aw, just a little thank you card, and it has the name of the, I don't know if this is the owner or one of the sales representatives. You know, they send you like, send positive feedback, 5 stars and all that. So yeah, now to the fun part. The shoes. Oh my god, these are cute. I hope I can fit them. They look a little small, but they're so freaking cute. And I'm gonna take the other one out. I love this protective barrier that they sent it in. But these weren't the ones last time when I was telling you guys they sent me the wrong ones. These weren't the right pair, but I don't know if this makes any sense. But they sent me the right pair of what I ordered this time. So I'll show you guys the picture. I'll link it, or I'll attach it here. This is what I ordered and this is what I received. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. So I love that these shoes were like super easy to walk in, because I was thinking that they weren't gonna be that easy. And I love that they look like the photo. The material is really good. I'm thinking that maybe a while from now that they'll like, the rainbow part will fade away. But so far I'm loving them. They're true to size. I did order a size 42. I do have bigger feet. But overall, I would probably give these shoes like a 9 out of 10. Only just because of the shipping. But yeah, they're pretty comfortable. Today, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul that I did. If you guys enjoy me doing things like this, make sure you thumbs up this video. Tell me how much you like it in the comment section. Share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more. I will see you candy babes in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to enter the giveaway for this ponytail. I'll be giving this away. One just like it, of course, not this one on my head. But make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, staying up to date with announcements and different things that I do with my wigs on there. And I will see you candy babes in the next video.
I ain't gonna compromise my own sanity for entertaining energy that don't belong to me.